Hello there everyone. In this video I want to show you how to factory hard reset your Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you two methods to do it. First, I'm going to show you how to do it through the settings, and then I'll also show you with the phone powered off, so that in case you have a password and you can't get into the phone, or if it's not booting up correctly, you can try doing the hard reset and you'll be able to start using your phone normally again. Alright, so first off, I'm going to show you here through the settings. So find your settings, scroll all the way down to System. Here in System, you're going to notice the option here, Reset. Select that one and select Factory Data Reset. Okay, so this is going to erase everything on your device completely back to its factory condition. So if you can save anything, I do suggest that you back it up if you can before you do this. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit Reset Phone and then hit Reset Phone. Once you do that, the reset process will begin and your phone will be completely reset back to factory condition. Okay, so I'm going to power the phone off now and show you how to do the hard reset with the buttons now. There we go. So the phone is powered off. Once it's completely powered off, what we're going to do is we're going to hold volume up and the power button, both of them at the same time. So just continue to hold both of them. You're going to feel the phone vibrate. You're going to notice the Huawei logo. So continue to hold the buttons for a little bit longer. And once you see this, you can let go. So there we go. We are at the menu now where we can reset it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset. So just scroll down to that one and hit the power button to confirm. Okay, so this is just letting you know that everything is going to be erased. So once again, once you're ready, scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset with the volume button and hit the power button to confirm. There we go, and the reset process will begin. As you can see, it is resetting now. Give it a couple seconds. There we go. So once it's done, go ahead and scroll up with the volume button to reboot system now and select the power button. And there we go, the phone has completely booted up and reset. So as you can see, we are at the initial setup of the phone here, where we have to go through all the options to get it set up. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video on how to factory hard reset your Huawei Mate 10 Pro.